Hey guys, we're in the middle of our country. Season greetings. Merry Christmas. Almost Happy New Year. So guess what? Remember the Christmas carol. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Who knew it was one-horse open sleigh? Must have been cool. Hello. Is that the song say? One-horse open sleigh? You know it? Jingle bell? You know it? Sing it with me here.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. I don't know.
You know it? Sing it with me here.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. I don't know.
Oh, what fun it is to ride on
I
what?
want to say, oh, jingle bell.
You don't know what you're
jingle.
supposed to say. And that is exactly my point. She don't know what she's supposed to say. What should I say? Happy holidays, alright? Have a wonderful one. So, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to make sure people know this song. Make sure you know it. Follow me.